Can I get Xfinity app on my Vizio Smart TV? The Xfinity Stream app is not natively available for direct download on Vizio Smart TVs. However, you can still access Xfinity content on your Vizio TV using alternative methods like Chromecast, AirPlay, or external streaming devices. 1. Checking Xfinity app availability on Vizio Smart TV. Vizio Smart TVs primarily run on the SmartCast platform, which does not support downloading third-party apps like Xfinity Stream. Unlike Android TV or Roku TV, SmartCast relies on built-in apps and casting capabilities. This means you cannot install Xfinity Stream directly, but you can still stream it to your TV. 2. Using Chromecast to watch Xfinity on Vizio TV. Since most Vizio Smart TVs come with built-in Chromecast, you can cast the Xfinity Stream app from your phone or tablet. Step 1. Install the Xfinity Stream app on your Android or iOS device. Step 2. Connect your phone and Vizio TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open the Xfinity Stream app and select a show or movie. Step 4. Tap the cast icon and choose your Vizio Smart TV. Step 5. The content will start playing on your TV. 3. Using AirPlay to stream Xfinity on Vizio TV. If you have an Apple device, you can use AirPlay to stream Xfinity to your Vizio TV. Step 1. Ensure your Vizio TV and Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Xfinity Stream app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 3. Play a video and tap the AirPlay icon. Step 4. Select your Vizio Smart TV from the list. Step 5. Your TV will begin streaming the content. 4. Using external devices to access Xfinity Stream. If you prefer a direct way to access the Xfinity app on your Vizio TV, you can use external streaming devices, Roku Stick or Fire Stick. Install the Xfinity Stream app on a Roku or Amazon Fire Stick and connect it to your Vizio TV. Apple TV. Download the Xfinity Stream app on an Apple TV device and watch content on your Vizio TV. Gaming consoles. Use an Xbox or PlayStation to access Xfinity Stream through a browser. Although the Xfinity Stream app is not available for direct installation on Vizio Smart TVs, you can still watch Xfinity content using Chromecast, AirPlay, or an external streaming device. These methods allow you to enjoy Xfinity shows and live TV on your Vizio Smart TV without needing a built-in app.